When a tradition gathers enough strength to go on for centuries, you can't turn it off abruptly. Even with the upcoming modern musical instruments, the Luo people still uphold their culture. The Nyatiti is an 8-stringed lyre instrument with a wooden frame and guard base. It is popular among the Luo people of Kenya and Tanzania.
Nyatiti ni Luo music instrument. Na watu nacheza, zamani watu nacheza kwa matanga. Kama mtu mkubwa na kofa, na mzee mwenye nyatiti naenda huko kucheza. Nyatiti sisi natoka nanunua miti kubwa. Alafu nakata na chonga into pieces, just a big log, and nakata size hii. Alafu sisi naanza ku.
The body of the instrument is a fig tree which is cut in a circular shape and hollowed out using a tool known as koyo. The hollowed out fig tree is then covered with cow or goat skin to make the surface of the hemisphere. 2 wooden beams are then put through 2 holes on the surface of the hemisphere and then bounded together by another wood placed on the top to help create an echoing sound. In the past, female cows' Achilles tendons were used for strings, but nowadays they are made using fishing lines. Dry banana plant stalks are rolled on the top wooden chip, then fishing lines tied to the edges of the banana stalks and rolled on the wooden chip to make the strings tight. A wooden bridge is then put between the surface hemisphere and the strings to make them more tight and hence help produce an echoing sound. The Nyatiti is usually played along with another traditional musical instrument known as orutu. Orutu is a one-stringed fiddle native to Western Kenya, especially amongst the Luo community. It is a kind of fairly simple music instrument made using a piece of wood cut from a stem of a tree known as ober. The wood is cut into a length of 6 inches and a diameter of 5 inches. Then a tool known as koyo is used to sharpen the wood and make a hole in the middle of the wood before it dries up. Cow or goat skin is then used to cover one side of the hole. The other side is left bare so that the instrument can produce a deep sound when being played. A wooden beam is put through a small hole on the side of the stem. A single string is then tied to a bent nail on the beam and stretched over a wooden bridge to the end where the strings meet.
Sasa mimi naweka bridge.
This musical instrument is played a bit like violin but has a different, more African sound to it. It is played by putting pressure on the string of the instrument and dragging the bow along this string to produce sound. We are all part of a tradition. At least we depend on the past, and if we are to preserve our culture, we must continue to create it.